Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put passwords on your apps on iPhone. To do this, go to your settings, screen time, app limits, add limit. Now enter your screen time passcode. And here you can choose your app from all these categories, but it's easier to find it. So you need to scroll down a bit and then the search button will pop up. So I'm going to find, for example, Twitter. Add. Next. And here you can put the timer of how long someone can use this app before the password will be required. So I'm putting it to 0 minutes. No, 1 minute. Add. And now, if you go to your Twitter app, it's blocked by a passcode. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a comment and like below. See you in the next one.